Hi friends, this is the project Ultra Wideband Radar System for through the wall human vital sign detection. The components used in this project are this is Arduino Uno board where our application code is running. And this is the low pass filter design using LM324. And this is the HB100 microwave module. It has a Doppler radar and it acts like a object detector. The output signal or a frequency which is coming from this module is filtered using this low pass filter to reduce the noise, and then given as input for this Arduino Uno board for generating the waveforms in MATLAB in correspondence with the object. So depending on the motion of the object, the values will vary in the MATLAB. And this is the MLX temperature sensor, and it is used for detecting the object temperature and also ambient temperature. Now let us coming to the working. Suppose if any object temperature detects, then values will vary. These are the values for Doppler sensor and ambient and object temperatures. See, now the object temperature is around 31 to 32. Okay. So if there is no any object, then it is reducing to 28 degrees Celsius. So this is how the temperature is varying. Similarly, if you can give any input for this Doppler sensor, Doppler radar, means any motion of the objects detects, then values will vary. See. So if there is no motion, means then it is showing around 500. If any object motion detects, then these values will be around 700 max, and the lower values are around 10. Okay. So like this, whenever based on the motion of the object, these values will vary, and these values you can get in waveform form in MATLAB. Okay. Thank you.